Hello my crypto friends, this is Devi and I would like to welcome you to my channel. This is another crypto video about a new smart contract which is built on the Tron blockchain. It is called TRONLINE, as you can see the name here. Now this thing, it came public like 2 days ago, but they had a massive DOS attack, as you can see the update here, and they had to take the website down. So some of us had got in. Actually, I'm a member and I got some people in, but now they are in the final stages of testing the site because they had to move the servers from one server to another, as it is indicated in their Telegram channel. As you can see, they say that we are in our final testing mode. Thanks for the support and extending your cooperation. So now I want to explain to you guys how this basically works. So Tronline, it is the world's first single leg smart contract built on the Tron network. What does single leg mean? Single leg means that any person who comes before you, after you, will be placed under you. For example, if I join before you, I'll be on top of you. If you join under me, I'll join under you, and any other person who joins after you will be placed below you. So that's how it works, and it is very good for people who want to earn a passive income. So if you open the website, this is how it will work. For if you get the link, you will post it will open like this, and then for new beginners, you'll have to click the join button, and when you click the join button, it will bring this page and have to check your sponsor properly. If you join through someone's link, their ID number will appear here, and if it doesn't appear there, make sure you edit it and put it here. So for that case, I'm gonna leave my link in the description. You're free to check it out and it will appear there. And then after that, you select the package. You can join from as low as 500 TRX up to 5,000 TRX. After selecting it, then you register. For example, if I choose 100 TRX, you click on that, and I will suggest you guys who are coming in to come in with around 1000 TRX. I'm going to explain why, and especially if you're not a team builder. So after that, you click on register. It will direct you to your wallet, where you will complete the where you'll be able to complete the transaction. It is saying use already exists because I'm already a member there. So now, to leave the registration part a bit, in this video I just want to make it short and explain to you the compensation plan. So let me go to automatic login here, and I'm logged in. So now basically this contract, it is a community based Tron smart contract, where you're going to earn from people who are above you and people who are below you. What does that mean? So this is my back office, as you can see. Now I started 1000 TRX here, and I've already made my money out, and I've already even upgraded my investment up to 3,400. So this is the community level, and it is the passive income part of it. You can earn from the people who are above you and also earn from people who are below you. I'll explain that. And the wallets you can use here, you can use the TronLink Pro, you can use a Token Pocket, you can use Klever wallet, you can also use a Tron wallet. And so now let me explain the compensation plan. So this is the community level. I told you this is the passive income part of it. So you can earn up to 20 people above you. You are here, you're on level 0, so this is you. You can earn from all these people who joined before you, and you can also earn from these people who joined after you up to 30 levels. So before you, you can earn up to 20 levels. After you, you can earn up to 30 levels, depending on your investment into the smart contract. So if you came in with 5,000 TRX, you max out all the levels. You earn 30 levels below, above, below you and 20 levels above you. So if you came in with 500 TRX, which is the minimum, you earn 10 levels above you and you earn 15 levels below you. If you came in with 1000 TRX, you earn 12 levels above you and 18 levels below you. If you came in 2000 TRX, you earn 14 levels above you and 21 levels below you. 3000 TRX, you earn 16 levels above you and 24 levels below you. 4000 TRX, you earn 18 levels above you and 27 levels after you. So 5000 up to the maximum, you max out all the levels. So for people who want passive income, I would suggest you come in with 1000 TRX and above. If you can, buy the 5000 TRX because you can max out all these levels. Now for me, I'm having a 3000 TRX investment. I'm earning up to 16 levels before me and I'm earning up to 24 levels after me. So all these people, now these people joined before me and this person joined, then I joined after him, then after, these are the people who joined after me. So I'm earning from all these people and I can earn up to the 30th level, but my investment doesn't allow me because I'm having 3000 TRX. So I'm earning up to here and I'm earning up to here. So whenever a person does a withdraw, a percentage of the withdraw is taken, as you can see it is distributed here, 60-40, and 40 goes to the wallet, 60 goes to the reinvestment. So if when the person does an reinvestment, we members we still earn from that reinvestment because 50% is got from that and it is distributed back into the community to be distributed as commissions, and also the other 50% goes back into the team build. So that is the compensation plan. There is community level, which is 100% passive, and there is also the sponsoring part of it. So if you decide to sponsor people, you will earn 20%. This is the team build. And so far gotten 8 people. You earn 20% on level 1, 10% on level 2, 3% on level 3, 4% on level 4, 10% on level 5, as you can see now here. Now there is a condition, there is why these ones are in red. I'm going to explain it. On level 6 you earn 2%, level 7 you earn 2%. Now the condition as to why these ones are in red. Now this condition applies for people who are investing from 5000 TRX and above. If your investment is from 5000 TRX and you want to earn from all these levels, you'll need to sponsor some people. To earn from level 5 when you're having an investment of 5000 TRX, you'll need to sponsor 5 people. To earn from level 6 when you have an investment of 5000 and above, you'll need to sponsor 8 people. And level 7, to earn from it, you'll need to sponsor 10 people. That's when you can benefit from these levels when you have an investment of 5000 TRX and above. So for people who are having an investment of 4000 TRX and below, you can earn from these levels without any sponsoring required. But if your investment increases to 5000 TRX and you want to benefit from these levels, you'll have to sponsor some people. Here 5, here 8, and here 10. So that's the brief compensation plan. And guys, this program, you just join and within a few minutes you will start getting community level income from people who joined above you and people who joined below you. So I had some more here, but since there is an update here, they are still transferring the servers. I do believe all my information will come back here. So as soon as you make an investment, these ones will populate, will start getting earnings. So if you decide to withdraw, for example, here if I'm to withdraw, I put in 367, 363. You can see 60% goes back in the reinvestment and 4% goes to my wallet. So with this one will still be split into two. 50% will go to the community build, which is this one, and then the other 50 will go to the sponsoring part or team investment. So I'm going to make more tutorials about this thing because it is a wonderful investment, and Tron smart contract which can make people a lot of money without putting in much effort. So there is a fake Telegram group here. I call it fake because it is not listed on the Telegram on the website, and it is this one, TRONLINE official, and it was asking people to pay some money. You guys be aware of this, don't pay anything. The official Telegram channel is on here, so if you click on it, it will come. As you can see, don't pay anything. So there is office here. You can check your partners here. Let me show you guys. So at the moment, it's slow because the website is not fully restored, so you guys will just have to bear with that. So these are the partners, as you can see. So these are the people I've brought in, and this person has so far brought in these two people. This one has brought in one, this one has also brought in one. So guys, if you want to check the statistics, your earning, how your earnings have been coming through, you check on statistics. So these are the income levels. You can see they show the type, and this is the TRX that have been accumulating over time. So this is the commission in this line, and then here they show you the type of commission you've got, level income. All these ones were coming from level incomes. Then you can see our community. This is the commission I got from people who got in below me, upper community people who got in above me, level community people who are upgrading, like that and like that. So you can also check the withdraw history. I've made some withdrawals here. Can So basically TRONLINE, just prepare your Tron 1000 TRX and above. If you don't have 1000, you can start with 500 TRX. There will be no problem. So these are the withdrawals I've been making. 934, all these ones. Then these ones have gone back in the system. Now reinvestments help you to build your level. As I told you, I started 1000, but now I'm on 3000 TRX because I've been reinvesting back these ones and they grow my level. So whenever your level increases, also your earning levels also increase. Because if you start with 1000, you will be earning 12 levels before you and 12 level and 18 levels after you. But if you upgrade to 2000, you will begin earning from 14 before you and then 21 after you. So you see the good thing about that. So this is the withdraw. I've been withdrawing, and guys, that is TRONLINE. It is under maintenance now, but very soon it is gonna be back. Just follow my channel. I'm going to be bringing you all the updates. And remember, I'm leaving my link in the description. Feel free to join my team and we grow this together. Just prepare 500 TRX and above. If you want to win big, you can go in big. Come in with 5,000 if you have it. Come in with 4,000 if you have it. You will see commissions flowing in passively every time. So that's it, guys. I'll see you in the next video.